Okay, so today we're going to be going over the 4 problems that we did in class. For this first one, we need to make sure that our bases are the same. So we'll have that 3 to the 5x stays the same. That 9 becomes a 3 squared. And then we keep the 2x plus 1 the same. When we have this, we're going to distribute that. So we'll have 3 to the 5x equals 3 to the 4x plus 2. Now we can set these exponents equal to each other because we have the same base. We'll have 5x equals 4x plus 2 minus that 4x. We have x equals 2. For the second problem, again, we need to get to the same base. Our lowest base is 2, so we'll get that 8 to be 2. 2 to the third is 8, so 2 to the third to the x squared equals 2 to the 3x. Remember, we're going to distribute that out, so we'll have 2 to the 3x squared equals 2 to the 3x. Set the exponents equal to each other. We have 3x squared equals 3x. Minus that over, we have 3x squared minus 3x plus 0 equals 0. The reason we have that is that now we can use the quadratic formula. So we'll have a negative b, so we'll have 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now it'll all be over a times 2. So when we get this down, that times 0 means that is 0, so we'll have 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 over 6. 3 plus or minus 3 over 6.
Boy, I really hope my right
X will equal 0 or 1. For problem 13, again, we need to make this the same base. So we'll have 3 to the third x squared equals 3 to the 10x plus 4. Distribute that, set them equal to each other. We have 3x squared equals 10x plus 4. Bring everything to one side. 3x squared minus 10x plus 4 equals 0. And then use again that quadratic formula. 10 plus or minus the square root of negative 10 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times that negative 4, and then all over 2 times 3. Now we need to simplify this out. We'll have 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 plus, this is 12 times 4 is 48 over 6. So this will be 10 plus or minus the square root, or so 3 square root 37, because 148 for the square root of that, if we simplify down to this, or sorry, that's 2, that was my mistake, 2 over 6. And go ahead and just leave that as that for right now, that's fine. For this last one, that 1/5 is going to be 5 to the negative 1. The negative 36 equals 5x squared. Set them equal to each other. We'll have 36 equals x squared. So x equals plus or minus 6. And that is what we did in class today. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, see you on Monday.